Well, we're taking a live look here at current conditions at our Midtown camera, where blue skies are visible. Probably the most amount of sunshine we have seen visible here all week long. A lot of clouds with that warmth we've been experiencing, but now, somewhat ironically, as the skies clear, we are seeing some cooler conditions here now. Winds out of the north and at the moment seem to be variable. That's what that VAR stands for there in that bottom left corner. Maybe a bit of a shift to the north and east, which is going to slow this trend of cooling here just a little bit. It'll be more gradual over the next couple of days, but for the rest of today, we should still have a warm up into around 60 here in Memphis. A few other spots, well, it's going to look different. You can see the spread we have right now, 46 in Dyersburg, all the way up to 63 in Oxford. So a difference of about 17 degrees here between those two spots, showing that I think we may have a larger than usual disparity here between high temperatures based on what our location is. So I would say middle 50s further to the north, maybe getting up towards the upper 60s or 70 further south. But no matter which way we put it, no matter where you're living here in the Mid-South, I think we are going to be cooler than yesterday, as we still have that boundary off to our northwest, which is showing areas that were sharing with us in the 60s and 70s over the last couple of days. Now much colder into the 30s, even below freezing still there as we look further to the west and north out in Wichita, Kansas. Now, I don't think we're going to be getting that cold, but we are certainly going to spend some time below average here, both in terms of that high temperature of around 57 and in terms of the lows, even getting below freezing. But we'll get up to 61 or so today here in Memphis as we do see cloud cover increase and keep us warm for tonight. But like yesterday, I think we are going to see a couple of showers here heading into this evening. The thunderstorm risk is not going to be there, so I don't think we'll really need to sort of cancel maybe any outdoor plans or events we have scheduled for tonight at the start of the weekend, but I think we will want to pack an umbrella as winds should stay calm for most of the night, picking up a little bit pretty late here as we look towards Saturday morning. That's going to, I think, keep us from really reaching the 60s anywhere. As we head towards that point, we'll be probably somewhere in that middle 50s range for one of the more seasonal days we've seen in recent history. But it looks like the clouds and radar as well, that wind is doing a good job of keeping skies clear, but we will see how that sort of shifts over the next couple of hours and prevents any sort of dryness from lasting into tonight, because I do think we are going to see at least some areas get some shower activity here. Those of us further north, I think, may miss out on some of the heavier downpours at times. We did see a few here last night throughout the Memphis area, if not for just a brief few moments, but those chances overall are pretty low and will still stay relatively low and even towards zero as we head further into the night and into the rest of the weekend. Middle part of next week, I think we could see a bit of a warm up there, but I'll take you through the forecast. Further south of Memphis and including the Memphis metro, I think, is where we will be looking at the greatest chance of seeing those showers like last night. Those are going to move out pretty quickly here. Still cloudy, and that keeps us warm for the low temperatures as we head into Saturday morning, but that will probably be the last chance we see of any sort of rain, more than maybe just a couple of sprinkles here. Saturday afternoon, dry. Sunday looking dry as well. And what we do see out of the rain tonight, likely not even going to really be that measurable. Our areas here, our model run here, picking up less than measurable amounts throughout most areas. I think about 1/10 of an inch at most. So definitely a lot different than what we had seen over this past weekend when we had a few measurable inches of rain on the ground and at some stations. So nicer conditions with temperatures all in all going to be in the same range. 61 for today. Evening showers, winds out of the north at about 8 miles per hour. That rain chance will be getting higher tonight, around 30 to 40% here for the evening, but we are going to see that clear out. I would say after midnight, Saturday morning, as those winds are blowing out of the north, maybe we could see a few sprinkles, but the rest of Saturday, for most of the daylight hours and into the evening, will be dry. Sunday as well, though the temperatures will be continuing to drop. We're down in the 50s and then even maybe the 40s for highs on Monday. That will also come with a few nights down below freezing before we do see temperatures and overall sunny sky conditions recover heading towards the middle part of next week.